Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Somas Kvartata puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely amazing quality. The Somas Kvartata puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Venge and Acacia. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to cover the opening with the pieces. As you can see now, the puzzle has a small gap on top, and that is not the correct solution, but actually it is another kind of a solution of the puzzle. Once you find the main goal where you cover the whole opening, you can try to find another solution how to pack parts inside the frame with a small gap in the corner. So it's kind of two-in-one. The Somas Kvartata is quite unusual puzzle. It is based on Soma cube pieces, but with modifications. For each of the pieces, a quarter has been removed, leaving a sort of spindly but more complex shape. I'll show you the pieces now. They are really difficult looking and they have this quirky shape. As you can see, one of the pieces looks like so, another one has this kind of a shape, and all pieces have this weird kind of shape. So you have to figure out the way how to put all of these pieces in such a way that you make the entire opening closed. As you can see in this assembling, there are no possible variations how you can just put it inside and it will be solved. You have to find another way how to put parts together. But as I told you, you can also try to figure out how to put pieces in such a way that you will have one gap in a corner. It's a very beautiful and quite complex puzzle from Dr. Volker Latusek. If you like how the Somas Kvartata puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.